In this video, we are going to learn how to design this complex solid model by using revolve and move copy command. Let's start. So first of all, we are going to create axis. So here we'll go to reference geometry and take axis command. We'll select two planes to create axis. I'm creating one axis. Then again we'll make another axis. Now we'll create one more axis. We'll take front plane and right plane and OK. We can rename all the axis name. So axis 3, I'll giving this name to y axis. So we can see if I take a plane, this will be y, this will be axis 1 will be, this will be x axis and this will be z axis. So I created 3 axes. Now we'll take a front plane, sketch on it. I'm creating one circle exactly at center, making it vertically constrained, defining diameter 10.93. Now we are going to make circular pattern. We'll select the circle and we'll define the number of items required 32 and 360-degree total angle and OK. I'm making this circle and this circle to be perfectly tangent. Now I'll create one line exactly till ends. This axis we can hide for a while. Now we're going to trim one side completely, half circle, will trim it out. And this side also we have to trim the circle. So we will trim one by one. So here I'll trim this part here and here this part. And one by one we'll keep this way trimming so it will be get perfectly tangent. We'll define the size of this line 122 and we'll make this line with coincide with center exit. Now I want to make one cutout here, so I'll just make one circle of 40 diameter and I'm going to trim this area. Okay, now exit. We're going to revolve this about this line and I'm going to revolve only 180 degrees. Okay, now we can show this axis on the screen. Now I'm taking a command move copy, so I'll press S on keyboard and search for move copy. We'll take a move copy command. Now here I want to do rotate, so we'll select the component to rotate. I'll keep copy here and defining the y axis, along that I have to rotate 180 degrees. Okay. Now again we'll take the same command, we'll press S, take move copy. This time we'll untick the copy option and I'm going to rotate this about Z direction 90 degrees. Select the component to be rotate. Okay. Now we'll hide all the axes and we'll see the model is ready. Let's change this to smooth mode. So this is how we have created this a complex model. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.